invite Mr. Abhishek Kumar, our sales head, Industrial Product Division, to deliver the welcome note to our esteemed guest.
I want to thank you all once again for being here. Your support and enthusiasm has brought us here. So let us make the most of this opportunity to celebrate and to explore the possibility of JK Lubes. This launch is just beginning and we are excited about the journey ahead. Thank you all.
As we gather to launch the groundbreaking industrial grease range by J.K.Fenner India, let us begin this moment with a lightning off ceremony. Can we have a huge round of applause to Mr. Mohan sir?
I would like to add my own thanks to all of you for gracing the occasion, for being here. It means a lot to us. It can never be better than having, our own channel partners, our own company colleagues to be here part of such an occasion. So we have made a plan in the next 5 years to go to 5,000 crores. We are also hoping that this industrial grease product will also do very well in the years to come. So with this context, with no further ado, I would like to start the proceedings and hand it over for the launch function to happen. Thank you.
Please turn your attention to the screen as we present a video. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a time to make some noise and welcome the product that's going to make everything run smoother, faster and better. Let's hear it for our launch and industrial grease range from the house of JK. So I request everybody to put your hands together and start counting down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's make a huge noise for the hero of the evening, LYTHERO. Unveiling our catalog and price list. I would request Mr. Siddhartha sir to come forward to deliver the thanks note.
First of all, I would like to thank all of you for being here, taking out time from your busy schedule. So I would like to have a round of applause for all of you for being here. Thank you. J.K.Fenner is the market leader in V-belts. The name is synonymous and it goes for quality only. I was amazed to see the customer response in terms of the know-how about Fenner. Within the lithium grease, this can be considered as hero of our product. It's like that, okay? So take photograph, feel the pride, and looking forward your support on continuous basis. Thank you.
Once again, can we have a big round of applause for this product launch? Thank you.